Okay, so up here we got to calculate the following, give our answers in scientific notation. So we're looking at question 1. 5 by 10 to the power of 5 over 2.5 by 10 to the power of 5. Or 10 to the power of 2, sorry. So if, for example, if I had x to the power of 6 over x to the power of 4, because I'm dividing, that would give me x to the power of 2. Now, as in 6 take 4 is 2. Now, if I had 6x to the power of 7 over 2x to the power of 3, I would divide this number into this. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then I would divide these by subtracting my indices. So that 7 take 3 is 4. So it's x to the power of 4. And we're going to do the same thing here. We'll do 5 divided by 2.5. 2.5 goes into 5 twice. And we're dividing 10 to the power of 5 and divide that by 10 to the power of 2 by subtracting the powers. So that will be 10 to the power of 3. Part 2. I've got 7.4 by 10 to the power of 4 over 2 by 10 to the power of minus 4. So again, we're going to do divide 7.4 by 2. So 2 and 7 goes 3 times, and 2 and 14 goes 7 times, so 3.7. And 10 to the power of 4 divided by 10 to the power of minus 4. Now remember, that'll be 4 minus minus 4. So it'll be 4 plus 4, which is 10 to the power of 8. Okay, part 3. We've got 8.8 by 10 to the power of minus 3 over 1.1 by 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay, so divide 8.8, divide that by 1.1, and it goes in 8 times. 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 10 to the power of minus 5. So it'll be minus 3 minus minus 5. So minus 3 minus minus 5. So that's 8 by 10 to the power of minus 3 plus 5, which is 2. The last part of this question, we've got 28 by 10 to the power of 5, divided by 2 by 10 to the power of minus 1. So 28 divided by 2 is going to give me 14. And then 10 to the power of 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 1. So it's 10 to the power of 5 minus minus 1. So dividing, we subtract our indices. So 5 minus minus 1 is 5 plus 1. So it's 14 by 10 to the power of 6.